Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's GlamzByRika. So today I created this look right here, which is giving me hella 60s, 80s futuristic vibes. So this look is inspired by this girl that I saw on Instagram. She's really dope. Her name is Taylor Stein Gold. This is the look. I think it's so dope. And yeah, I tried recreating it in my own way. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. First, I'm going to moisturize my face using my favorite Olay moisturizer. Next, I'm going to use this bareMinerals foundation in the shade Warm Natural 12. It's a little light for me, so I'm just going to mix it with this Cover Effect sample that I got. I literally just take a little bit and mix it in. By the way, I didn't prime my face because like I don't need it to stay all night. Like I'm just doing this look. Like I know my videos are still low quality, but that's because I don't have a ring light and I will purchase one soon, inshallah. There was one that I bought from eBay for $8 and that shit stopped working after one damn use. This foundation is honestly so nice. Like, I forgot how thankful I was to Influenster for sending me this. It's amazing. Also, I'm speaking in a low tone because, like, I'm still getting used to speaking to a camera. Brows all done. I don't like cleaning them up, I just like it to be like really full. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay primer. Now to set my eyes, I'm gonna use the Mega Glow contour palette. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this brush with the mild setting spray just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease using the Maybelline Age Rewind. Now on top of that, I'm just going to apply some silver eyeshadow. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust me, it'll come together. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my full spectrum palette. I'm applying the shade Iced on top. Now for the part that I'm most excited about, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Silver Glitter. I'm going to use this little brush from Morphe. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Master Fixer by Maybelline that I got in a box from Influenster. So tada, shout out to Influenster for sending me some cool stuff. How do you even use this thing? Oh shit. Yo, this is mad cool. I'm actually shook. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Wet n Wild Megaliner to line my crease. I'm just gonna make this sharper, and this is not possible for me to do on camera. I'm gonna do the other eyes well, but you get the gist of it. Now for my highlight, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Glowkit. I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Snow. Now normally I wouldn't use the shade Snow because it's like, this palette is really glittery and that's not my type. I'm also gonna be using this Maybelline kit that I got from Influencer. I'm gonna use this shade right here. That is mad iridescent. That's better. Now I'm going to line my waterline from the same voxbox. It's a little crazy and I would not do this on a normal day, but once I saw that look I was like, I have to do this, like I have to. For lashes, I'm gonna apply these funky lashes that my best friend got me. I don't know where they're from. They're supposed to be a dupe for like some Huda Beauty lashes. These are extremely long and I'm just gonna use it for this look. This lash band is as thick as like the Huda Beauty lashes. So until my lashes get sticky, I'm gonna apply this dark brown lip liner. Now I'm going to top it off with bareMinerals from Wet n Wild. Lashes are really making my eyes teary. So I drew on some doll-like lashes on the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing to this eye. For blush, I'm also going to use this shade right here. look is complete. Please thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you guys next time.